everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Volkswagen owner looking to upgrade your ride with cutting-edge tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the RCD330 Noname and OEM-style head unit that transforms your driving experience. Let us dive in. Meet the RCD330 Noname, the perfect upgrade for W models from 2010 to 2016. This head unit brings modern technology straight to your dashboard, blending seamlessly with your car's interior. But what makes it stand out? Let us take a closer look. First up, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These features allow you to connect your smartphone effortlessly. With just a USB cable, you get access to navigation, messaging, and your favorite music, all displayed clearly on the RCD330's touchscreen. It is all about keeping you connected while you stay focused on the road. But that is not all. The RCD330 also supports FM radio for your local stations, and Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music streaming. Need more options? You've got USB and SD card inputs for your media. It has versatility and convenience wrapped into one sleek package. Plus, if your W has steering wheel controls, you can continue to use them with the RCD330. Adjust the volume, skip tracks and more without taking your hands off the wheel. And for those with optical parking sensors, you'll get a visual display of your surroundings right on the screen when reversing. Check out the transformation. The RCD330 Noname doesn't just add modern features, it also enhances the look of your dashboard while maintaining that OEM feel. No modifications needed, just a straightforward upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and automotive tips. See you next time.